How can I make video calls in Dubai without violating any restrictions?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore a topic of particular interest to many of us: how to make video calls in Dubai without violating any restrictions. We will delve into the do's and don'ts and offer some guidance to ensure you're able to connect with friends, family, or colleagues safely and legally.
Understanding the restrictions.
First things first, we need to understand why there are restrictions on video calling in Dubai. The United Arab Emirates has stringent regulations governing internet usage to ensure national security and cultural values. Many popular video calling platforms are unfortunately blocked due to these rules. Compliance with the law is crucial, so understanding these regulations is our first step to making video calls without running afoul of the law.
What video calling platforms are legal in the UAE?
So, you might be wondering, what platforms can I use? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Blackboard have been unblocked for educational and business purposes. The platform violating is also available as it is fully licensed to operate in the UAE. violating can be used for personal calls and comes bundled with certain internet packages in the UAE. However, be sure to check for the latest updates from the UAE's Telecommunications Regulatory Authority, as the list of approved applications can change.
How to make a video call.
Now, to the meat of the matter. How do you make a video call? Well, once you've chosen a platform from the list of approved services, you can usually start a video call by creating an account, if required, adding your contacts, and then simply hitting the Video Call button. Remember, always use approved and legal platforms to ensure you're not violating any regulations. And that's it, folks. By following these guidelines, you can make video calls in Dubai without violating any restrictions. Remember, it's essential to respect and follow the laws of the country. We hope this guide has been helpful in keeping you connected while also ensuring that you remain compliant with UAE's internet laws. Stay safe and happy video calling.